what's going on. That was a stupid ass intro, but we're getting into it. So I have here a 2013 Camry, Toyota Camry SE. Yeah, show the car.
Oh, yep.
Yeah, this is 2013 Camry. We out here. So we're about to do a muffler delete.
Yep.
Just take off the muffler from the Camry, and we're gonna see what happens. Showing the muffler, bro. It's like right here. This is called a muffler down here. Yeah. So yeah, we're getting into that. Let's go. So first thing you need to do is open your trunk because you need some stuff from inside there. You know what I'm saying? The trunk part is right here. If you guys don't know how to open your trunk, you just pull this. Alright, let's go. Alright, so you open your trunk. Don't mind the messiness of the trunk, please. Okay. So it's all ready. I just put it down here because I know we needed it. You guys get it from this thing right here. I don't know what this is called, bro. Safety department. Yeah, you just get all of this right here, and this if you want some safety reasons like heat. Cause I'm gonna put my knee. Or I'll show you. Yeah, you just need this. This is something else, and then you close your trunk. So this is something that comes with something. Okay. So you come over here. You have to try to find the point. Like there's like a pointing part that goes inside here. Not all the way, but it's still good. You know what I'm saying? And you have to do it this way. Oh shit! Look at all this. Just watch out. Oh, I had a glove in the trunk. You also need a glove. Yeah. So you gotta come over here. Try to find. What is that for? Right here. If you could see it, it's like right here. And you gotta put that. What is this called, bro?
I don't know.
Something. So you gotta put it all the way up there. Any year now. Okay, there. We got it in there. Now you use this thing right here. Something, I don't know what it is. You put it in here. And you start rolling the boat. You know what I'm saying? Oh shit.
So the muscle go. Hopefully it's the right way. Oh yeah, it is. Probably takes like a couple of minutes. Say a couple of seconds.
Stamina. Right here. You don't need it all the way up, okay? You just need it like halfway or something. I don't know. Alright, first things first. You also need a wrench. Is this a wrench? A wrench that is 14 millimeters. 14 millimeters over here. So you could take out the bolt inside the muffler, not inside the muffler, that's attached to the pipe. What the fuck? Who is that kid? Okay, so we get on to this. Now
you need gloves. Let me just go get that glove from the trunk. Again, guys, pull this. That's how you do it. Now the trunk pops out, I guess. It's nice. And then I should have had gloves in here somewhere. Yo, where's the gloves? Where's the gloves? No, we didn't leave it home. I brought it. Oh, it's right here. What the heck? I didn't see it, guys. Oh, it's right. Okay, now you need gloves. So
you just put it on. We got some shit stain over here. I was working with my other muffler, Camry SS. I'm just kidding.
Gotta put some music on. Copyright. I got copyright. Copyright, bro. Alright, let's get it. Let's get it, bro.
So now you get this wrench, 14 millimeters. You gotta get dirty down. Shit, that scared me, bro. That's just. Alright, so you gotta get down and dirty over here. And so you have to take out these bolts, this one and this one, right here, which is located behind the muffler. Yeah. Here. Wait, I'm screwing it back on. What the heck? probably take like a couple of minutes. Sometimes that happens. Just pay attention to what you're doing. Okay, took one of them out. Looks like this. Now we gotta get on to the other one. Oh my. Fail.
Hold on a second. What is he doing?
Okay, second bowl is out. That means it's time to take out the muffler. The muffler. Okay, let's just put this over here somewhere. Take a picture, bro. This thing not that long. Okay, so now you need this and this after you take out the there's like, what is this called? The rubber part? The rubber part. When you take out the muffler.
There's rubber here too.
When you take out the pieces right here from the rubber, it like hangs on it so it doesn't fall and shit. I'm gonna take it out. I don't know what I was trying to say. Here, give me that. First things first, we start from here. Yeah, this is the easiest one. Yo, this one, the one like right to the back, is the easiest one. Well, it might take me a while. Never mind.
No, you just have to hold it.
Never mind, it wouldn't take me a while. Just
Hold the muffler. You have to tell him to hold the muffler so it doesn't fall.
No, we're good.
Okay.
Okay, now we gotta go to the back, bro. The back one is located right here. There's like 3 different parts in this. Oh my god. Right here. Wait. There's a little part. Right here. It's located right here. Yeah. There's one right there. Yeah. This one. Here. Yo, this one is freaking annoying, bro. I can't. It took me like 5 minutes, maybe like 7 minutes or something, to take this one piece out. It was so annoying. Now you can use your knee in this because the thing is hot. Just put your knee on here so it doesn't fall. And you take this out. I mean, it won't fall because it's still hanging. It's just taking out this is a motherfucker. Yes, you go. Yes! Fine, I took it. This one's the fastest one I did. Okay, now you just gotta push the rubber out of the piece of the muffler. Yes, okay, so finally, now we gotta get onto this part. Come over here. Just pull this out. Okay, that one's out. Now to the last one. Get your. Oh. Okay, there. And it's out. Finally. So that's how the muffler looks. Okay, so this is how it looks. The muffler is out. And that's the only piece that's hanging. I might get a shape up after, so it could come out all the way here. And now you just gotta put down this thing and see how it sounds. Alright, so we just put everything back and we're about to go do the acceleration around here somewhere. Let's go. Follow me. So, forgot to tell you, we were gonna test out the car before and after the muffler. So this is the video that is before we took off the muffler. Yeah, let's get back into it, bruh. So, this part is when we took out the muffler, and it sounded the same, but outside it's different, bro. It's crazy. Just watch. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. We just finished the muffler delete this part. Yeah, we just finished we finished the muffler delete. And it sounds pretty good. It's much better than last time.